The incredible journey of building an Airbus A350 starts here in the design studio. Teams of engineers spend years perfecting every detail on computers before any metal is cut. Using advanced 3D software, engineers design every single part of the A350. From the shape of the wings to the layout of the passenger cabin, nothing is left to chance. The design is tested in wind tunnels to study how air flows over the aircraft. This helps make the A350 more efficient and stable in real flight. Structural engineers run thousands of simulations to ensure the aircraft can handle extreme forces.
We need to reinforce this joint.
Safety is the top priority from the very beginning. Using virtual reality, engineers can walk inside the virtual aircraft and check every detail before real construction begins. The lighting in this cabin feels perfect.
Let's adjust the overhead bin latch.
After years of design, testing, and refinement, the final blueprint of the Airbus A350 is approved. Now the real manufacturing can begin.
The backbone of the A350 is made from high-grade aluminum.
Lower the rollers now!
These massive sheets are rolled and cut with extreme precision in this powerful mill.
Advanced carbon fiber is used to make the A350 lighter and stronger. Workers carefully layer these materials by hand in ultra-clean rooms.
The main body of the A350 is built in massive sections. Each piece is joined with thousands of rivets to create an incredibly strong and lightweight structure.
The wings of the A350 are engineering masterpieces. They are built to be strong yet light, helping the aircraft fly efficiently over long distances.
The powerful engines are built separately with extreme precision. These engines will later be mounted on the wings of the A350. Massive parts like fuselage sections and wings are carefully transported inside the factory. Everything must move with precision before final assembly. This is where the real magic happens. In this enormous hall, the different sections of the A350 are joined together to form the complete aircraft.
Lower it down, steady.
The front and rear fuselage sections are precisely aligned and joined. This is one of the most critical steps in building the aircraft.
Secure all bolts. Attention all personnel. Heavy lift in progress in Bay 4.
The massive wings are carefully attached to the fuselage. This step requires extreme precision and teamwork.
The tail section is installed with great care.
Steady now. Align the pins.
It plays a vital role in controlling the aircraft during flight.
Right there. Lock it down.
The powerful engines are mounted onto the wings.
Steady. Bring it up.
These engines will power the A3 across long distances.
Inside the aircraft, thousands of wires, pipes, and systems are installed. This complex work turns the shell into a fully functioning plane.
The passenger cabin takes shape as seats, lighting, and overhead bins are installed. Soon this empty shell will become a comfortable flying experience. After months of assembly, the A350 is finally complete. It is now ready to begin the rigorous testing phase before its first flight.
Before flying, the A350 goes through extensive ground testing.
Confirm engine stable at idle.
Every system is checked to ensure the aircraft is safe and ready.
Copy that, Chieftain. Systems normal. Clear for taxi tests.
The aircraft performs high-speed taxi tests on the runway. These tests check the brakes, steering, and overall handling before the first flight.
Roger. Taxiing to the hangar, A350.
The aircraft receives its final paint job in a special hangar. This gives the A350 its unique airline colors and protective coating. A final detailed inspection is carried out. Every part of the aircraft is checked one last time.
Everything looks perfect here.
It is handed over to the airline. After months of hard work, the A350 is finally ready. It is now delivered to the airline and will soon carry passengers across the skies. After all testing and painting is complete, the A350 is prepared for its very first flight. This is the moment the aircraft truly comes alive. The A350 takes to the skies for the first time.
A350, you are cleared for takeoff.
After years of design and months of building, this giant aircraft is finally flying. And this is how one of the world's most advanced aircraft, the Airbus A350, is built from start to finish.